So yeah, we continue the baton, and let's discuss about why to go digital and what has forced us to go digital. This is the topic in general, if we can look at it. So the topic says that, has the pandemic forced us to go digital, or should we have gone digital? So basically, if we talk about the landscape in India, India is a country where things arrive a bit late. When the world is like ahead on internet, or the world has gone a long way on internet, we start to taste or try new things. For example, if we just want to buy something online, we would go there on Google and search, and what we will find there? We'll find Amazon. We'll find, say, in those days we used to have eBay or something like that. But how many Indian brands are there on the platform? That is the main question. So things in like arrive late in India. So I would say that it's not the pandemic which is forcing us. Obviously there has been a great push or thrust, but it is the right time for the nation to go online, go digital. So I'll talk about all this in the reference of experience that I have gained, the reference of knowledge that I have gained through my own startup, and what is my startup also I'll tell you in few lines. So as sir said that Arctic Circle is an online smart school where a child can learn anything and everything from the best mentors across the globe. So I decided around, I would say, 12 months back, that I will take my services online, my teachings online. So what I used to do was, I used to organize events. I used to organize workshops in schools, whatever I used to study in my B school. I started implementing all the concepts of branding and all the things that I learned in my classroom. I just wanted to implement them. And very successfully, I executed everything. I collaborated with great brands like Amazon, like Icecraft, Himalaya, and many brands. I worked with around 20 brands, and I realized that okay, whatever I am doing is good, but I have a limited number. If I organize an event, there will be 300 children, 400 children, something like that at once. And it used to take a lot of effort to organize one event. So I thought, why not create an online course and go online totally. So when I created the online course, I took up the website domain and everything. Then I could see that I could reach many children. Now I just have to run some ads, and the people on the other side are searching for me right now at this very second. And yeah, when I run my ads, they can see me. So this was the impact. This was how I was connected. See, it is very simple, Panda. There is a platform where people are searching for information, and if you provide right information to them, there is a matchmaking, and they come to you, they start knowing about you, and then you become friends, and then you can sell whatever things you want to sell. So I think we should have gone online 10 years back. Like whatever is happening right now in this 2020 should have happened around 2012 or 2010, and we are too late to this digital market. Yes, about pandemic is forcing us. Actually, we are forcing us not to go online. It's not that pandemic is forcing us. It's that we are forcing us कि नहीं online क्यों जाना, अपना काम तो हो रहा है ना. That is the outlook, or that is the way of thinking that we have. Education, अभी I'm in the education sector right now, and education ऑनलाइन कौन पढ़ेगा, टीचर से कनेक्ट कैसे बैठेगा, ऑल दीज आर द क्वेश्चन दैट आई गेट ऑन डेली बेसिस. बट नाउ पीपल आर सेइंग टीचर के पास कौन भेजेगा, इतने सारे बच्चे होंगे, वहां पे कोरोना लग गया तो. सो बेसिकली only some mindset change was there. Situation is same, everything is same, infrastructure is same, situation is all the same, but only one mindset that okay, we can learn online, we can get connected online, we can create an ecosystem. See, right now we have 29, 30 people right now in this group. It would have taken a small conference room, or it would have we would have sent invites, physical and online invites. People would have come to a place in a particular time in the evening, and then this program would have been possible. But right now, Roy sir has taken this opportunity, and he called us online, and we are discussing it online. So I think we should have gone online a lot back. in time, and we are late, and nobody is pushing us. We pushed ourselves not to go online. And few factors that we can talk about in this, that why should we go online, and what happens if we go online. So for entrepreneurs and company makers, it helps us to build our company's image without even going spending a lot of money. We can start communicating with people. We can be 24/7 available. फोन कॉल की कनेक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है, एक बहुत बड़ी टीम की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट अ सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल gets us online, and yes, we are available and connected to the world 24 hours. We don't have to pay for servers, we don't have to pay for any facility. Yes, still we are connected. Like big companies, they respond to their social media as well. If you just go and post on any big company, on Amazon or Flipkart or Coca-Cola, they will reply there and then itself. Better customer support is possible. Then it is very low cost for startups now. We do not require, like, I'm a representative of a startup, so I can say we do not require a huge capital to go do the business. It's online. Somebody sitting far away. I just call the person, or get to that person online and just say that, why don't you try our product, and the person tries and the person buys. And whatever applies in the real world, that you pitch to 100 people, ten people buy. Same is applicable on the online platform, but this is faster. So that is one point. Then internet was always made for business, education and other things, services, all everything we can put aside, but it was made for business activities. And I can think, like, I know that the internet is very much useful for me and my fellow startup, and maybe that teachers and mentors and professors who are out there, उनके लिए भी उतना ही ये impact लाता है. So yeah, those are few highlights, and I would like to rest my argument here. Thank you so much for allowing me to speak for these 5 to 6 minutes.